I think, it was unfair for the teachers and the administrators at the beginning of this pandemic when they were suddenly asked to pack up and go home and start teaching online. Uh, they were probably trained in at some level for some sort of a blended teaching and learning, wherein part of it was done online, part of it was done in class. But none of them were trained for full 100% online teaching. And that is what created a sudden panic and a disconnect between the way we have been teaching in class, the way students learn in class, and the way students learn online. Any technology that we have to incorporate in online teaching has to mimic that in-class learning and that in-class teaching, because the research and all the previous experience has shown that there are certain ways, there are certain best practices through which students learn better in interaction. So we have to find out technologies that actually mimic that in-class setting, but online. And that is the purpose of this series of workshops in which we'll try to identify those very technologies which mimic in-class setting. This is about the pedagogy. This is about the ways students learn. It's not about a new app. It's not about a new program. It's about how to mimic in-class teaching and learning online and identify those technologies which mimic those behaviors and those practices online.